Hello friends. Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello. Hello friends. Hello morning bye. We'll wait for other people. Hello. Those who are coming, please say hi so that we can start easily, right? Hello, hello. His voice is audible completely and the screen is clearly visible. Can anyone reply? Hello, hello. And please, can anyone share the link to the Discord so that people can join easily? Hello? We'll wait for the other people. Then after we'll start. Hello? Right. Okay, okay. Hello, hello Kunal bhai. Hello Sandy. Hello Kunal. Hello Monik bhai. Can anyone reply? Yes, Crystal. Okay, okay. Sure, then we'll wait for 5 minutes so that those who want to join, they can easily join, right? How's your day? Sandy bhai, how's your day? And Monik bhai, how's your day? All of us enjoying the weekend or not? Hello. Okay. We'll wait for 5 minutes most probably so that those who want to join, they can join easily. Okay. Fine. Weekend is always boring. Yes, due to lack of market, we can't enjoy. Can anyone share the link to the Discord so that those who want to join, they can join easily? It's the third live session of mine, and even we are also meeting at the third time live. So, okay, shared, right, no issue. Then now we'll start the analysis so that our time will utilize completely. First of all, we'll start with the SGX Nifty, our Nifty benchmark, we can say that. Then after we'll go towards the Nifty and Bank Nifty like this, right? This was the chart of SGX Nifty, hourly chart of SGX Nifty, right? The screen is visible. Can anyone reply so that hello? Can anyone reply that screen is visible or not? Morning by Kunal by. Hello, is there a lagging problem or what? Because I am not getting the reply. Okay, yes, right. Yes, yes, by visible, no issue. So I have marked a channel trend line on SGX Nifty, right? As you can visible see at that I have marked a channel line. So I have found a triangular pattern on SGX Nifty. Hello, hello Raj. Hello Shiv. I have marked that and even I have found that triangular pattern formation on SGX Nifty. So first of all, yes, visible. Could you change the background to the white? Okay, sure. I think my screen is little bit lagging. No issue. Okay. Screen not. Kunal, I am not able to getting what you are trying to say. Screen not here. What time frame is the? This is the hourly time frame. that I have found in channel triangular pattern on SGX Nifty. What we are getting that on 11th of December, the fall was there in SGX Nifty and even Nifty also. But what happened after that fall around 210? The time is not proper because uh, uh, we can say that yes, 210 is there. Guys, change the resolution to 720. Yes, guys, change accordingly so that you can watch in a higher resolution mode. And even I am focusing on my software so that in just 5 to 6 days I will come out with good resolution. No issue. Then now working okay. So if everything is clear, then I will start my analysis so that our time will utilize properly. So what happened after that fall on the SGX Nifty and Nifty, suddenly from 13,440 level the recovery is there with higher volume. If we check the volume here, if we check first of all, I am great analyst. Thank you, Chinmay. If we check the volume here, that with big tail, first of all, we'll wait for check for volume validation. That with bigger candle and with bigger tail, volume is there in SGX Nifty. So that is the indication that bulls is not yet exhausted. So at this point, clear indication is there that with big tail and with good candle, this is hammer kind of formation and with bigger volume. So volume bar. So that is the clear indication that more upside momentum is there in Nifty and even SGX Nifty is there, right? Because it is playing near this trend line, higher trend line. So that is the indication and playing near this is the small range. If I remove this, then I will show you clearly that it is playing near this channel only, upper channel line only. Right, so that is the indication that more momentum is there on upside only. And even I have found that there is a triangular pattern formation from here to from here. So there is a good support over there. There is a upper trend line is there, and it is playing near the trend line. So that is, if this line is broken, then next 13,641 is the next level. So we can expect on Monday only that 50 to 60 point is possible on Monday only. If because there is a vaccination news and that in IIP data is also good, industrial production data is also good, so we can expect good rise on Monday. Right now we'll come to the Nifty for that our for Nifty analysis and Bank Nifty analysis. If we check the daily time frame, then what kind of formation is there? That now it is playing in a consolidation range. If we check that it is pure inside range play is there. If I show you, it is pure inside range play is there because this high point is not able to broken. 13,529 is acting as good resistance, and this low point, which is the 13,450, if I mark the line, then it is playing in the range only. So what is the indication that this after this range good breakout is possible, and most more chances of the upside only. So I have just shown on you that on SGX Nifty that 13,640 level is the next possible level in Nifty also. So now we'll jump to the hourly analysis, because if we check properly on daily time frame, then two indecisive candle, one is of red candle and another is of green candle form. If I am changing the color of the wick so that you can clearly find easily. right? So what is that red candle? Still sell off is there, but 13,450 level is very crucial level, because it is, even I have mentioned that it is make or break level. So pure rejection at that level, again another day try sell off try is there, but again bears not able to sustain below this point, and again bulls came into the picture. And what happened, you know the rest, that recovery is there, good recovery is there. Even on which day, on 11th of December, upside week is also there. So it is purely showing us that buy on dips and sell on rise, both things are there. So what it is indicating us, that the next week will be very much volatile, because both side momentum is there. On dips is also there, and on sell on rise is also there. So now we'll jump to the hourly analysis for further clarity, right? So as we mark on a daily time frame that this box, so it is clearly showing us that one time base tried below this level, that they tried to push below this level on 10th of December. But again what happened, after next very candle, again it is up. What happened, they were trying to break this level 13,416, but what happened, not able to play below this level. So those who are know about this, that runaway gap, exhausting gap, so they will clearly understand this point, that it is kind of, we can say that this is the runaway gap. Because what happened, after so much trying to push below this level, after very next day gap opening is there, again they try to push below this level, and again they push above this level. So it is clearly showing us that still this level will act very will acting as good support even in further week also. So we can probably expect that upside momentum is left still now, right? Because this is kind of piercing pattern. We can say that piercing pattern, or we can say that those who know known with the term that harami kind of pattern is there. We can't say this as a engulfing candle pattern, but we can say that this is piercing, or we can say that harami kind of pattern. So after trying, but half of the candle is covered by green candle, so this is clearly showing us that more possible opportunity of upside is there, right? We will discuss on 15-minute time frame for 14th of December, that what can happen on 14th of December, and even will check for the weekly range, what weekly range is possible, and I will explain you how we can calculate the weekly range of the Nifty and even Bank Nifty, right? So now we'll jump to the 15-minute, 30-minute, and then we'll jump to the 15-minute time frame. If we mark the trend line on hourly time frame from here, from which 26th of December, right, then it is coming to this level. If we mark this as a properly, then it is coming to this level, and again this trend line is also respected very properly. If you see that with big wick trend line is there, right? So another confirmation point is there, that at this point, and if we mark this trend line properly to the upside level, then what possible level, if we check this trend line only, then 13,600 and 30, 40, 50 is possible level. If we mark the parallel line towards this from this high point, then what is the next possible level? The next possible level is 13,700 is showing us, then even 13,753, 13,792, because it is purely respecting these two trend lines. So we can expect some good momentum. As I said on daily time frame, that upside momentum is there, and even it is showing us that it is going to form this kind of pattern, and taken support at this level. So what is next above that? Above this is possible level. Why? Right? Because if Nifty wants to break this level, then if Nifty wants to break this level, then this consolidation is not possible. Because if Nifty if bears is aggressive, then clearly this kind of pattern and this level is expected. But what is going is that consolidation is there on upper side and even at this channel line, in this channel line. So this is clear indication that upside momentum is still left in Nifty 50, right? Now I will jump to the 30-minute time frame. I am coming to meet you right now. Okay, no issue, man. Now I will jump to the 30-minute time frame. Even if we check on 30-minute time frame, then 3 candle pattern formation is there, right? One big red candle, after that hammer kind of formation, and this hammer candle is also respected by follow through green candle. So this is also another confirmation that still upside momentum is left, right? This sell-off was there on 11th of December. Just it is showing us that this was not the trend reversal thing. This is just an profit booking on 10th of December. Because if sell-off was there, then we can expect the another green candle, red candle below this. Then only we can consider the trend reversal. But it is not trend reversal. Why? Because deep after that low point, again buying was there. So this is the confirmation that this is not the trend reversal, right? And now we'll check for the intraday purpose that what can happen on 14th of December. So if we follow this thing, then this is my presumption. This cannot totally right. No, this will not totally right, but this was my presumption that this will again, if any gap down is there on Monday, if any gap down is there, then below this gap, below this channel line, there is a bias are there below this channel line. Because whenever the base try to break below this level, again bias came into the picture. So if any gap down is there on Monday, then we can buy above this 13,440 level. Again we can buy above this and we can play till 13,600 and even more, right? So buying opportunity is there about, as I mentioned, that if closing about 13,480 level, then that is the good sign for bulls, right? Because this line, this trend line is clearly respecting. So as I mentioned that 13,480 level, because it is almost near the 13,480 level. So closing about this is very good sign for bulls, right? And if we check the consolidation part, then also it is very good that it is playing in the range. Whenever that base try to break this range, again bulls take into this range, and if this range was broken, then we can expect those who want to play the intraday game, then just draw this in your chart, and if this line is broken, then you can go for even swing, you can go for even weekly Nifty expiry, and even you can play for day expiry also, Monday also, right? Intraday also. So this is my Nifty analysis, that below this level, if this line, which is 13,400, as we all know that this line is respecting very much, right? Whenever bulls want to break, because what happened, this is the, if you know about the Doe theory, then what is the Doe theory? You draw the main trend line on which time frame? 1 day. I draw the trend line on hourly. If you want to play the swing and rest thing, then you can you should draw the trend line on daily time frame. But if as we want to play for week, because what happens, if you want to play for 2 to 3 days, then hourly trend line is good enough, right? So if we check the low theory concept, then what is the low theory? At every high point, what happen? If in this and on this point, we can see as resistance. Why? Try to go near this level, again rejected, again try to go near this level and again rejected. So one thing is confirmed, that this is acting as resistance. And what happened above this level, playing above this level, so now this is acting as support clearly. So this is the Doe theory, right? Concept of Doe theory is that mark the high point, mark the every high point which is acting as resistance, and mark the every low point which is acting as support. Then you can find the next support and resistance clearly. So this is now acting as support very perfectly. So below this level we can expect what point? This is the next possible point, 13,320, 30. And below this level bar is very open, 31. This level is also possible after this, 13,270 if I adjust this line. And below this bar is very open. Below this I am expecting 13,140. So below 13,400, if 13,400 is broken, then we can expect good fall on Nifty till 13,330, even 270 and 140. But I am not expecting fall in Nifty till 14,000. So my view is clear till 14,000, right? So if we check for weekly range, how we can check weekly range? So I am going to show you that how we can check the weekly range, because as we are not having the data above this and below this level, so we can find the weekly range now. So for weekly range, what we will use? We will use Fibonacci retracement. Even we can use by wicks also. We can find the weekly range. So those who don't know how to find the weekly range through wicks, so what happened? Just consider the wicks. So I am not able to clearly explain you that part, because that is in my Excel sheet. But surely in coming time I will explain how we can find the weekly range through wicks, volatility index. Even most of my support level is based on wicks. Stop loss is also mostly depend on wicks, right? So how we can find the weekly range through Fibonacci? Now I am showing you. So what happened? This was the high point and this was the low point. If I considered this as a high point, and if we considered this low point, why I am considering this low point? Because from this point it shoots up till what point? 13,530, and these are the extensions: 161.8, 261.8 and 361.8. So after one, what I meant to say, that after 78.6 and after one, most possible level after this was 161.8 level is possible, because this is the extension of this low point. So now we can expect 161, and even we can adjust our extension point in this, and we can save like this. So I am showing you how we can adjust our extend lines. So what happened? I have adjust my extension line. If anybody wants to adjust above this, so what is the possible level above this? Above this is 131.8 is next possible level. If we considered 131.8, then half of this, because this line is showing us this is the 131.8 extension. So it is almost around 13,800. This is the Fibonacci play. So by Fibonacci we can get the weekly range, which is showing us the 14,1200 level is possible next week. Even we can study from option data also. Those who know how to analyze the option chain analysis, I will put a video on this on my YouTube channel, that how we can analyze option data, right? So 14,000 is the next possible level. This is the weekly range, right? Now I will jump to the bank nifty. Those who are using moving average for trend analysis, use 921 and 200 for best use, right? So if we check the daily data of Nifty and if we check the daily data of bank Nifty, one thing is there, that big green candle, what happened on Nifty? If we compare both things, that on Nifty after 8th of December, gap up opening was there, right? But what happened on bank Nifty? After 8th of December, very little gap up opening. We can't even say that it is gap up opening. So difference between these two candles is very small. So if we compare two things, what it is showing us, that Nifty has very good strength compared to the bank Nifty. But if we check the bank Nifty, what happened? Still this fall, this point where it was fall from the point which is around 31,630, still it is not covered till now. So we can expect that this point will covered easily. Even we can expect this on next week also, and most of the time we can expect till next week it will be covered. But if not, then after that next week we can expect this, because if this will cover, then 14,000 on Nifty is easily possible. Why? Because 30% weightage is of bank Nifty, so we can expect that if this will cover, then 14,000 is the next possible level, and this will be covered. Why? Because Dow Jones is also covered its fall point, so we can expect our bank Nifty will be covered, right? So now we can analyze bank Nifty. That on daily time frame, the same scenario like Nifty. First we will mark our box so that we can understand what it is doing. It is playing inside range, so we can expect this inside range will broken out, right? What happened after this range is broken? As I mentioned in my previous video, after this range is broken, green candle is there, another retest is there, retest was there. On what date? 8th of December. This level is tested again, and then after follow through was there. So this is the good sign that bulls want to play above this breakout range. So we can expect furthermore in bank Nifty also, right? So this is the daily analysis. What happened? Hammer candle is there, and then after indecisive candle is there, because Friday was there. Most probably Friday we can't get the proper direction on Friday. Even FII and DII also confused on Friday, because they don't understand the previous contract data, because new contract is formed on Friday, right? So Friday we mostly will get this kind of candle on Friday, indecisive candle. So now I'll jump to the hourly analysis for further, right? So clearly it is showing us that again, like the Nifty, first of all what we'll do, we will mark this as a support, next support, because very good sign, when we can say very good sign of upside momentum, when this broken out, this level is broken out, consolidation was there, and then it shoots up, and again it tries to test this level, and again what happened, recovery is there. So this is the clear indication that bulls don't want to break this level, right? So if we check on hourly time frame, after this fall on 11th of December, another big green candle is there that almost covered this red candle, And then after what happened on Friday, what happened? This line, this what 30,770 is acting as resistance. But what happened after this much consolidation? Fall was there due to Friday, and what happened again? Green candle was there, so almost covered this red candle. So what it is showing us, that triple bottom kind of formation on Bank Nifty, 1, 2, and 3, right? So this is almost kind of triple bottom, and if again will test this level on Monday, if any chance of testing this level, then in Bank Nifty we can expect fall, but as looking as at the price action, we can expect upside momentum only, and if we check the news also, then upside possible ranges only there, right? So this is kind of triple bottom pattern, because after breaking this level, again tested, again upside up, again down, and if other like this, then this will be acting as triple bottom, and upside momentum is still left in Bank Nifty is there, right? Now we'll jump to the 30-minute time frame. We can mark the trend line on hourly time frame, so for clear analysis, as we mark in a Nifty also, right? So what happened? This trend line is also respected properly. What happened? Went up, fall, went up, fall, again went up, fall, and one principle is there. Whenever one trend line is respected, then what happen? Whenever it comes down, if time frame is bigger, then 3% upside momentum from trend line is possible. But if time frame is smaller, then from trend line 1% upside momentum is possible. So if we consider this, then after this two time testing this trend line, then we can now expect good upside moment in Bank Nifty, right? So on hourly time frame, it is purely respecting this line. Now we'll jump to the 30-minute time frame for further analysis. So now what it is showing us, then again what it is showing us, that after this fall, again green candle formation closing above this level and follow through done by next candle. So again it is showing us that still upside momentum is left in Bank Nifty, right? And if we mark this, it is kind of triangular pattern formation is there, right? So what happened after this? Upside momentum, downside is there. So what is the possible scenario in Bank Nifty, that from upside down again up, then again we can test this level. Possibilities are there that we can test this level, and then after we can expect upside momentum. So if you know the concept of triangular pattern, then after the breakout we can expect this much kind of upside momentum in Nifty, and it is almost near the, if we come check this, then it is almost near the 31,000 in Bank Nifty, right? So those who know the concept of triangular pattern, for them it is right now very easy concept. Those who don't know, then please understand this concept, right? So we can expect from this level 31,000 is possible. So our strategy for Bank Nifty, that if this level Bank Nifty came right on Monday, if any chance of this level 30,404, then going long from this level is good opportunity, right? From this level, by keeping our stop loss at this consolidation point, this much, which is around, if I show you clearly, then by keeping our stop loss at this point 13,233, if we want to play for swing, then this stop loss is very good. Why I am telling you for swing? Because if I show you what is the ratio from this point, if you want to play for swing, then this is the good strategy for Monday. So sorry, for expiry day swing, right? For weekly expiry. Because if this level is tested 30,404, then we can take this as our stop loss 30,230 to 200, and we can expect 30,000 31,002 level on next Thursday. So by this we can play swing trade. So this is almost 1 raised to 3.35 risk to reward ratio. So this will be our swing trade for Thursday, right? Thursday next expiry. So now we'll jump to the 15-minute time frame. If is anybody having query, then can share here easily, right? So even for, if we check on 15-minute time frame, as we come to the 15-minute time frame, so it is showing us that as we come on 15-minute time frame, that after this high point, big red candle, we can't say big, but good red candle with big wick is there. So from this point, if this will be falling candle, if this will be the falling indication of from this candle, then we can expect follow through candle, or even we can expect gap down opening on Monday. If any gap down is possible on Monday, then we can most probably expect this sharp shoot out from this triangular pattern, and this is the apex point. This is the apex point. Those who don't know the apex point, so below before this apex point, we can expect that this level will achieve below this what before this apex point, we can expect that this level will achieve. So this is the concept of triangular pattern, right? So our bank nifty analysis is almost done, right? Now if anybody is having stock specific, if anybody wants to analyze any stock specifically, then please mention so that we can analyze that stock, right? Hello? Yes, if I show you, if nobody wants to analyze any specific stock, then I am showing you one stock that is in my watch list, and even I am holding position, that is PVR. So I am expecting good upside moment, and even I am expecting gap up opening in PVR. Why I have chosen this stock for swing trading, that is the question. If anybody is having this question in your mind, then I am showing you why I have. One thing is for my swing, most probably I am using Elliott analysis, but apart from Elliott analysis, for this time I am not using Elliott analysis for swing. I am just using price action, right? What happened? That on which day, 9th of December, big green candle with big green volume bar is there. So one thing is there, this is the volume validation, that clear volume validation is there, that with big green candle, big green volume bar is there. So one thing is there. Now what happened? After that day, on on 10th of December, this level, which is the support, is tested. And what happened? After that day, again green candle, red candle is there. Now one thing is tricky, that I have checked one thing, that size of both the candle is almost same, and size of both the candle is almost same. One thing is there, right? Another thing, that despite of this red candle on 11th of December, this low point of 10th of December is not broken. And another thing that I have checked, that volume is falling. So with, if I check, with constant pricing, falling volume, despite, means selling pressure is there, two red candle is there, but what happened, volume is falling. So that is the indication that bears can't able to break this level, and bulls were not allowing them to break this level. So this is the strong confirmation that, and second confirmation for my swing trade is that this range is not going to break this, it is playing in this range. So one thing is that if we check on large time frame, if we check this on large time frame, then we can get it easily that PVR has having good momentum left till now. I am checking on 15 minutes so that we can understand, right? So now what happened, if we check on 15 minutes, any upside momentum will be considered as wealthy when this kind of move is there, and then after consolidation will be there, again then upside move is there, and then after consolidation is there, then we can consider this as a healthy and wealthy move. So what happened in PVR also, same kind of formation is there, again up and again consolidating, same like as I draw on this. So it is showing us that this concept is validating, right? And again, second thing, that triangular pattern formation in PVR is also there. If I check from this level, then triangular pattern formation, another, at this triangular pattern formation, tail is there, tail formation is there. So if we you know, most of the people know this thing, that hammer candle formation like this is important, but this only candle is not important. The principle of hammer candle is important when it is formed in a falling market. So what happened after this fall, then hammer candle formation and also formation at good trend line. So multiple confirmation is there, that hammer candle formation, third thing, second thing at major at trend line, and third thing that volume is also there. So big volume candle with big volume hammer candle formation is there, that so that this is showing us that bulls are coming, I mean to say buying is there at this level, right? So according to this, I have taken this as a swing trade, right? So I hope you guys are getting from this analysis, right? So now I am done with my PVR analysis. Now those who want to check any specific stock, then can reply here, right? भाई यस बैंक को पहुंचा दो 1000। सैंडी भाई यस बैंक को तो हम सब मिलकर भी नहीं पहुंचा पाएंगे। Is anybody wants to analyze that, because I am just having time till 10:15, so I cannot be available after this. So if anybody wants to analyze any specific stock, then we can analyze, right? Bro, how you will set your stop loss and option? So that is the good thing, good thing. But what happened? I can't explain in just 15 to 30 minutes, Abdul. But yes, sure, I can explain that it is based on multiple thing, bro. If you know the concept of option Greeks, then it is possible only that I can explain you. Bro, on a serious note, what's your view on Yes Bank? Yes, I am checking for this. If you are talking in a longer term perception, then we can expect 30 or 40. I don't think so that Yes Bank will move. Because most of are trapped in Yes Bank. Even my one of my friend is having 15,000 shares of Yes Bank, and now at around 200 level. So now he's trapped in this Yes Bank. So if we check Yes Bank for longer term purpose, then we should check this on a weekly time frame so that we can understand what is the possibilities of Yes Bank. So Yes Bank is done with his last leg of wave. This is wave C. So and almost this total upside play is I mean to say this level is broken. So this is the weekly level, weekly line is broken. So that is the craziest thing I have ever seen in any specific stock, that this weekly line is broken. If we put 200-day moving average in this, so 200 moving average is around 194. That is the next possible impossible. It is looking like that it is impossible. But if we check, then this is the last leg. So now we can expect that this will consolidate, and as it is consolidating also at this low point, right? And if we yes. So what happened? That this consolidation is broken out. So most of us are giving buy signal on Yes Bank. So I am expecting only based on this they are giving signal on Yes Bank, because this clear consolidation on weekly time frame is broken out, and that is also with big volume. So what is the next possible point? 30-25 is the next possible point. But if we check for long positional trade, then we should wait for more one week, or even we should wait for more 1 to 2 weeks, so that we can understand next possible weekly candle, how is the next possible weekly candle. Then after we can analyze that what will be the positional target, and even what will be the next swing target, right? So based on this we can expect based on next week we can expect next possible target. But if we check for 1 to 2 week target, then 31 is possible. Somehow 31 is possible. Why? Because multiple small candle. One, if we check volume concept here, that with falling volume, falling price, falling price, falling volume is there, and then after increasing price, increasing volume is there. So that is showing us that it will shoot up till 35, 25, 31 is possible. Sandy bhai, I will explain you that for long term target, we should wait for 1 to 2 weeks, so that we can understand what will be the next possible target. Asian Paint, I am checking that for Asian Paint people, now you have to be cautious at this point, because what is happening, what, thanks anytime, anytime, Sandy bhai. What is happening on Asian Paint, that after this range, After this, what, 27th of November. Then after, what happens? 2nd December, 3rd December. If we check for this range play, then what happened? That after this broken range is broken out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 days upside momentum is there in Asian Paint. Now what is happening? Two green candle, indecisive candle with a bigger volume is there, and we can expect here consolidation, or we can expect retracement in Asian Paint. What level we can expect, till what level we can expect retracement? If we check for retracement, then 23.6 is the first retracement. It is the most famous retracement zone. 23.6 is because what happened, mostly those kind of FII or FPI, or even we can say the long term investor, those people are waiting for this 23.6, or if not this, then they should wait, they will wait for this 50% retracement. So these two are the magical retracement in Fibonacci. Sorry, yes, in Fibonacci retracement. So 2340, and if you want to know the magic of retracement, then see the magic of retracement, that this retracement line support is there, and even this retracement line support is there. So how it is possible that every retracement, that every number of retracement support or resistance is there? So Fibonacci is the magical number only. So if 23 is 6, 23.6 is broken, then 50. But if this is sustained, then again upside momentum is there on Asian Print. But till now we can't say anything, because consolidation is possible, or even gap down, or even downside possibilities are there on Asian Print. Because if we check the time cycle, then 29 till 20 October, 1 month, then after consolidation again upside momentum is there. Any view on Tata Steel for swing trade, or any ITC, because is it worth buying call? Morning by ITC we can expect 240 target. I just analyzed day before yesterday only. Why I'm saying this, because if we check the weekly time frame, then on weekly time frame this range is broken out. So this is the very important point, that this weekly range is broken out, and that is also with bigger volume. Because so this is the very good thing, that after this beautiful consolidation, weekly range is broken out, and what happened now, this is the next possible target, that's 236, right? Because this is also the consolidation zone. So we can expect 236 on ITC, right? But wait for 1 to 2 days, because we can't say that it will go up on next very week only, but we have to wait for 1 to 2 week. Then after we can, after checking the price action of 1 to 2 days, we can enter in ITC for any long thing, right? Tata Steel, I am checking Tata Steel. Nowadays there is no much thing for analysis, because almost it is trading at all time high level. So doing analysis on ATH level is with little tricky, because if anybody know this, the concept of wave analysis, for them it is good, right? But rest of them, only price action is not clear enough for this kind of days. Now, if we look for Tata Steel, then morning by for steel sector, we have to wait, or even we have to wait for any view on Tata Steel. We have to wait for long, because long is not good in Tata Steel. Why? Because what happened after this consolidation? Again, bulls were trying to gain this level. If this level is broken out and any retracing of this level, then only we can enter in this trade. Below this we can't enter in this trade, because still this is playing is in this zone only, so that is not good because premium decay will be there if we play in this option in this swing, then premium decay is possible, right? So guys, if nobody wants to check any specific stock, then we can wind up at this point, right? Because I am done with my analysis as in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and even I have shown you my specific stock which is PVR, that I have entered my position in PVR. I am currently holding PVR 1500 call option at 62.5, and I am expecting 90 on this. Welcome, Sandy bhai. Welcome, Monik bhai. Right? So, guys, we can wind up at this point, right? I hope we can expect good opening in on PVR so that we can make wonderful profit. Those who are holding expected profit in PVR is around 9,000 or 10,000 on this call option only in one lot. So let's see how it plays on Monday. I am expecting 450 gap, opening level only. Gap up opening is expected in PVR, right? So now, good night, guys. Hope we can expect our profit in green on Monday. Breakfast, right? Thank you, by anytime, right? So good night, guys.